Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing good and having a good time learning from home. In this video, I'm trying to put out the difference between due diligence and audit. And if you have not watched the video on due diligence, please go back and watch it. This will help you in understanding this concept even more better. Before I dive in, let me remind you that we are conducting video classes for the paper, secretarial audit, due diligence and compliance management. And if you're interested, please fill out the Google form and express your interest that you're interested to participate in the class. Hoping to see you, all of you, in my class.
Hoping that you are able to see the table giving out the differences between audit and due diligence. The first important point is the scope. So in the audit, mostly the importance will be given on analyzing the financial information, whereas in case of due diligence, it's not the same, because in due diligence process, the entire business analysis is done by collecting the data from legal, financial, even a compliance standpoint, and also even for that matter, a future prospects of the target company is analyzed. Second is the information check. So what are those information which is checked? Let's go ahead and take even an example in case of statutory audit, or for that matter, internal audit, CSR audit. Mostly the information checked will be on the historic data. But in case of due diligence, both historic and future market trends are analyzed. Third one is the requirement. Is the requirement of audit mandatory or is it required? Yes, certain rules, certain laws prescribe the audit to be conducted. And in case of due diligence, it's not the same. It entirely depends on the nature of the transaction. The fourth point is the frequency. How often audit has to be conducted? I can say that it's a very recurring activity and it is an annual event because most of the audits be conducted in the annual basis. But in case of a due diligence, it's not the same. It is an occasional event and as and when it's required, right? There are times when even in a company, a lot of times one or two DD is happening in the same financial year. So yes, this can be done. Next point is the uniformity. Is the audit procedures and principle adopted are uniform? Yes, it is. Because accounting principles, accounting policies tell us to adopt certain uniform nature, where in case of a DD, it is not the same because it varies entirely on the nature of the transaction. The last particular point is the assurance and result. So what the audit comes out or gives out as a result is mostly positive. It confirms on the true and fairness of the financial statement and gives us a understanding saying that right accounting policies and procedures are adopted and so on. And in case of a due diligence, it's not the same. Mostly I can say the negative assurance has been given out. Why? The risk is identified. The very purpose of DD is to identify the risk and it is negative in nature.
With the given explanation, hoping that you have understood the difference between audit and due diligence. If you have, please hit the like button and tell us your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for the latest notification on various other videos like this. And also, if you're interested to participate in my class, please fill out the Google form and tell us that you're interested and happy to see you there.